Neoliberal doctrine drapes invisible threads across the junctions that elect. Silent manipulation ensures influence.